Welcome to Let's Talk Machines Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we'll show you how to perform both translational and rotational extrusions. So here I have a collection of connectors that make up an airfoil. I'm going to select the connectors and I'm going to create a wing of finite span by doing a translational extrusion of the connectors. So I will go to Create, Extrude, Translate, and instead of auto assemble, I'm going to delete all edges and use one edge per connector. This will take each connector and extrude it into its own domain. Reorient this so you can see. So the first thing we'll do is pick our direction. We'll then pick our distance. In this case, I'll set it to 1, and then how many steps we would like to extrude. I'll do 20 and click Run, and you'll notice that those connectors have been translationally extruded to create domains that would make up a finite span wing. Okay? Something like this. This is a C grid for an airfoil. Sometimes CFD solvers require that a grid be extruded one cell deep for a 2D calculation to be performed. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to select all of the domains. I'm going to go Create, Extrude, Translate. Do the same thing, one face per domain. That basically means that each domain will extrude into a single block. Pick the direction, Z-axis, a distance. I'm going to make this a little larger so you can see it. I'll give it a distance of 10, and then we're only going to extrude one cell deep. And click OK, and zoom out, and you can see that we've created a collection of blocks that effectively make up this 2D grid extruded one cell deep for our solver. And that's translational extrusion. And what about rotational extrusion? Here's a profile cut of a reentry vehicle. So this is an axisymmetric cut, and I want to create something that's rotationally periodic. I want to create a 90-degree sector of this geometry. And I can do that very easily by taking this domain, going Create, Extrude, Rotate. So we're going to do a rotational extrusion. What you need to specify here is the curve. You can either pick that curve or specify it with 2 points or a point in a direction. I'm just going to pick this curve right here at the nose. And then I'm going to pick my angle of 90 degrees, reorient this so you can see it, and then 20 steps and click Run to create that rotational extrusion, that 90-degree rotationally periodic sector. So that's translational and rotational extrusion in a nutshell. Thank you, and have a pleasant Tuesday.